So why can Bitcoin make dating awkward and almost difficult sometimes? Well, dating is about gratification right now, and Bitcoiners are about delaying gratification. We live in a mind state where we're thinking about the year 2040, we're thinking about 100 years from now, 200 years from now. But a lot of people nowadays, especially when dating is their focus, they're interested in receiving pleasure right now, whether it's through like social interaction or getting that validation and having that a lot of that close, intimate conversation and connection. Now, Bitcoiners also don't want to spend frivolously. So in dating, a lot of times you're going to want to do activities, go out, do a lot of restaurants, dining, all that sort of thing. And you're always running it through the filter of, okay, I could be stacking more Bitcoin and this could be something that's more productive for my family in 100 years rather than just wanting that sugary meal right now. Also, Bitcoiners are attuned to their mental health a little bit more in a different way, and they want to always have healthy forces around them. So you might be scrutinizing your partner a little bit more extra than if you were someone just in the mainstream matrix, just doing what you're told and just going around doing the average thing. Also, in dating, you are more attuned to the fact if the person is lulled to sleep by mainstream comforts and mainstream ideals. And so a lot of people are lulled to sleep like sheep to the slaughter. A lot of people are average. Average is average for a reason. Most people are there. So a lot of partners that you find, some might be awake, but a lot of people are not going to be awake. A lot of people are going to be in the mainstream. That's why it's the mainstream. It's the average thing to do. So it's going to be difficult for you to get along with people who their conversation isn't about these metaphysical things and about Bitcoin and where it's going in 100 years and about these philosophical things and a lot of these deeper nature things that go true to the core of the human core foundation and the self. So a lot of people aren't going to be attuned to these things. You might be seen as weird by having this niche hobby. And a lot of times you're going to explain to your partner how, okay, I want to do cold storage and my wealth in Bitcoin will never, if I lose that password, there's no backup phone line to call. Most mainstream normies are used to having a 1-800 number to bail them out if they ever have difficulty. But again, you're just coming from a whole different paradigm, which might be weird to some people. So it might make having relationships a little bit more difficult.